Okay, this is number 3 on the homework, which was lesson 15 worksheet. Again, if you want to try to attempt the problem on your own, if you get stuck, by all means watch the video, or if you want to just watch the video first and then try it on your own. But make sure you at least know how to do most or all of it on your own. Sinister Stan stole 3 3/4 ounces of slime from Messy Molly. And again, I'm going to circle this ounces, so I'm paying attention to whether or not there's a conversion. But his evil plans required 6 3/8 ounces of slime. He stole another 2 3/5 ounces from Rude Ralph. How much more slime does Sinister Stan need for his evil plan? So some of the things I notice: no conversion because I'm in ounces from the beginning to the end. How much more indicates that probably somewhere in here I need to subtract. I'm going to read the problem again. Sinister Stan stole 3 3/4 ounces of slime from Messy Molly, but his evil plans required 6 3/8 ounces of slime. He stole another 2 3/5 ounces from Rude Ralph. How much more slime does Sinister Stan need for his evil plan? Well, I know that so far he has stuff that he stole from Messy Molly. He stole 3 3/4 ounces from Messy Molly. I know that he also stole 2 3/5 ounces from Ralph. And I know that he needs more slime. I don't know how much more he needs, but I know that when he's all done, he needs a total of 6 3/8 ounces of slime. So what I want to do first is I want to figure out how much slime he stole and how much he has so far. So I'm going to add these two together, so I have a number for that. So I have 3 3/4 plus 2 3/5. And again, I usually like to, these are small numbers. If you want to convert to a improper fraction and then go ahead and add, you can do that. I usually like to split them up. The danger of splitting them up is sometimes kids don't remember to add them back in, so just be real careful. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Over here I need a common denominator. That's going to be 20. So here I multiply by 4. Here I'm going to multiply by 5. So when I add them together, I get 27/20. Can't use that in its current state because this is an improper fraction. So I know if I go to divide, and I'm going to go up here and divide, I have 27 and I'm dividing it by 20. It'll go in one time and I'll have 7/20 left over. So I have 1 7/20, and I'm going to add that to my original 5, which is going to give me 6 7/20. So there's how much we have for this portion. We just added those together. So far, he has 6 7/20. He wants to get 6 3/8. So it looks like he's actually pretty close to the way there. I have to subtract to figure out what the missing bar is. So I have 6 3/8, that's what he's going to end up with. And I want to subtract 6 7/20 from that. So if I split them up, my 6's will cancel each other out. And now I have 3/8 and 7/20. I need to find a common denominator. So 8 doesn't go into 20. So I'm going to take 20 and multiply it by 2, which is 40. And 8 will go into 40. So 40 is a good common denominator to use. And that would be times 2. Okay, so 15 minus 14 is 1. So he really doesn't need a lot at all. He only needs 1/40 more slime. So now I need my answer statement. So Stan needs 1/40 ounces more slime. And when you get busy like this, it's always a good idea to kind of box in your answer statement so it doesn't get lost amongst your work.